Na 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 na. Da, da, da. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it going. Fifteen seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plank and wiggle. Wiggle up, plank. Here she is. Julia, Julia, Julia. Wiggly plank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side plank. Twisting side plank. Change sides. Middle, side, side. Middle, side, side. Middle, side, side. Middle, side, side. Come to all. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Ball between your knees. Come up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. Head touches the floor. Elbows go 1, 2, 3, 4 on the ball. Head comes down. Head comes down. And down. Yeah. Touch your elbows, head up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch your head on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch your head down and repeat. 3, 2, 1. On your back. Right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. Destruction. Right leg, left leg. Right leg, left leg. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Forearms. Twisting, twisting, twisting. Twenty seconds left. Yikes. Bottom leg forward. Threading the needle with the weight. I have decided, Judy, that Graham Greene is the oracle, foreseer of all terrible things. Change sides. What happened to these intelligent human beings? I don't know what happened. They all disappeared. Are you threading the needle on the other side, Lana?
I did here, but I do 10 at the time, so I'm kind of consistent.
No worries. Alrighty then. Yeah. Twisting, twisting, twisting. Turn your whole body. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep your shoulder blades off the floor. plank, and reach, plank, and reach, plank, and reach. Reach forward in your plank. Ten seconds. Okay. Okay, elbow to knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change sides. Elbow to knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. On your back. 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. Keep going. 10, 10. Lift your shoulder blades nice and high. Okay, in a plank with your forearms like that, and you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Can't take the heat anymore. The leaves are falling from the oak tree. Twenty seconds. 10, 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Touch your underneath leg. Change sides. Crossing, 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 crossing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And bend your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Crossing. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend your knees. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Crossing. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On your back. Feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. Then put your head down, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take your hat off again. 1, out go the legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put your head down, lift your bum and feet. 1, 2. Make sure your stomach muscles do the lifting, not the legs. Excellent. Into a plank and just hold the plank. Really normal plank. Just a vanilla plank with no extra bits. Twenty seconds. Okay. Like that, hook your leg. So hook your bottom leg round your top leg. Change sides. Right, last one. Difficult that one, isn't it? Pump the legs, twist the body. Twenty seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are superhuman, the pair of you.
Thank you, Kara.
Well done. Have a lovely day, the two of you.